Oxidizing nature of halogens is comparable due to the highest standard reduction potential. Fluorine can oxidize chloride, bromide and iodides from their salt solution to their corresponding halogens. So -1 to 0 oxidation state is increase of oxidation number, which means oxidation. Whereas chlorine can oxidize only bromine and iodine. Because the reduction potential of chlorine is less than fluorine, it cannot oxidize fluoride to fluorine, but it can oxidize bromide and iodide to respective halogens. Next, bromine can oxidize iodide to iodine, whereas it can never oxidize any other halogens. Okay, what is the basis of this kind of reactions? Let me explain you. So in general, with respect to oxidation of halogens, any halogen of lower atomic number will oxidize the halide ion of higher atomic number. So this is a really good shortcut for you to understand. That means a stronger oxidizing agent For example, here let us consider a stronger oxidizing halogen can be used to prepare a weaker oxidizing halogen from its anion. For example, to illustrate the above fact, chlorine water is used to produce bromine or iodine from bromide or iodide ions respectively.